In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play 1v1 in BedWars Roblox. So I have in here this help article that can actually aid us in this. So in here, you just need to set up first your epic 1v1 battle. So make sure that you need to head to BedWars lobby and then look for the custom matches option. This will be your gateway to creating a game that's just right for you. Now in here, you just need to head over and then once you have created that, you can head over and play games using that right there. So in here, once you're on the custom matches area, you'll have the power to create your own game. So you can set it up and it's just the two of you in the match, so it's technically 1v1. So using that, you can make sure to select a map as well that you both like as this will be your battleground. Don't forget to share the game code with your friends so they can join on the fun right there. So in here, 1v1 is actually super fun since this will challenge your friend and helps you practice for larger team battles right there. So you can also win big with this. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.